Hey guys, it's David Barry again, TexasInsurancePro.com. And today's video is a general liability quote in Dallas County for an advertising sign installation company. And I guess we're talking about an advertising company or a sign installation company that installs signs outdoors. So without further ado, let's get to it. As you already know, the requirements for the general liability, well, let me just back up. If you've watched one of my previous videos, you know that each of these quick artisan classifications have requirements that if if you don't meet these requirements, you can it will cause you to kick out, and we have to submit you manually or with another program. In this case, business doesn't have more than 10 employees or more than 1.75 million in gross receipts. That's gross sales. Operation doesn't have more than 50% of the work being subbed out to other companies. No prior claims or fewer than 3 claims with in excess of $10,000 total. Roofers do not qualify for this program, nor do general contractors, paper general contractors. We can do some handyman classifications, but for the most part, paper general contractors that sub all of their work out to the various trades do not qualify for this online classification. And oil field manufacturing, blasting, etc., those don't qualify, as well as as well as any risks outside the state of Texas. So this is, as we said, this is an advertising sign installation company, and we're gonna call this company, let's call it Dallas Sign Companies, sign installation company. And this company's in Dallas, Texas, Dallas County, and the zip code is 75232, whatever. All right. So the policy is going to start April 1st. They want a full general liability policy. And when we question them regarding the number of classifications, whether they do anything other than just sign installation outside, they said, nope, this is the only thing we do. Now, this is important because if you don't get the classification and you end up doing this work and causing damage, say for instance this person was a landscaper and they did, or landscape gardening in this case, and we didn't add this in there, then, and we didn't get the rate for this, then if there was a claim resulting from that additional classification, there would be no coverage. So each case is different, but the good thing about this program is that it is flexible enough to have people on this program that do multiple jobs. This is good for someone who does a little bit of this and a little bit of that. We just need to break it down and give it the proper percentage. Now, in a case like this, you could also ask for double aggregate, product aggregate. That would give you $2 million product liability instead of $1 million. We'll leave that blank for now. If you want to get a quote, you can enter comments below or send me an email at TexasInsurancePro.com. And they're, in this case, let's say they're, because this is a sign company, that's one owner with 2 employees, no part-time employees, and they've rejected the Terrorism Risk Insurance Act coverage. And that's pretty much it. As long as they're below, as long as they fit these qualifications, we can pretty much rate them. And as you can tell, we have a bunch of different classifications that we can use. So, without further ado, how much is the rate for advertising sign companies? What is the rate for general liability? Let's see. In this case, this one came out to a total premium of $1485.53, and the monthly installment on this one is $111.34 after a down payment that includes all taxes and fees, finance charges of $95.06, and we can generally get a little bit better pricing for this program if especially if they're doing more than one line of business. Say, for instance, the person's doing general liability or something. We can actually look at a different finance company to try to get this this down payment and monthly installment down a little bit. So it never hurts to ask about that as well. So 111.34 a month, not bad for two full-time employees, one owner, someone that installs signs outdoors. So if you have any questions about your business, feel free to give us a call, 214-717-4326. Until the next time, I'm David Berry, TexasInsurancePro.com.